Wanna know how to install Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, you can do this process in both Android and iPhone as well. So if you have an iOS, the process is same, but in this video, I'm going to use Android to show you the steps. So first things first, what you can do is just simply hit towards your Play Store or your App Store if you are on iPhone. And once it does, just simply hit towards the search bar right here. And once it does, just simply search up for Mobile Legends or MLBB. And once I've done that, on the first search, you can see this Mobile Legends icon right here. So you can just simply directly select install or just select its icon, and you can browse up about its game, its latest update, and also its ratings. So once you're done with that, you can just simply select install right here. And once that is done, the Mobile Legends should start downloading just like this. And that's it. After that is done, you can just simply play your game and log in and start playing. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.